So we met at just as a physical exam because of Alicia's, or both of you saying that you need a checkup, and then because reflux, or was there anything else aside from the reflux? No.
I thought that was my concern. It was
Yeah.
because he was always taking Zantac, and I was like,
Right, all the
we
time,
probably need
right.
to fix that.
Yeah. So then, after I think a few months after that is when I heard something happened. So why don't you explain what happened?
So I was on my way to Home Depot. No, I went to Home Depot to go get some house locks because my son ran out the door prior to that. So I was like, we're not gonna have that again. In a towel, naked outside. So I'm off to Home Depot. I got the locks. I left there. I was heading back home. A truck decided to pass me up, which was fine. But then he came back around and almost hit me.
Wait a minute. Where's
Right down
Home
Randall,
Depot? Randall?
Randall and 20.
So in Elgin.
Yeah.
Elgin. Okay.
Yeah.
So a big FedEx truck or
No,
just
it's a pickup truck.
pickup truck?
Pickup truck,
Okay.
yeah.
Pickup truck. And you were driving what?
My motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Okay.
Yeah.
So he almost hit you.
Yeah, and the next thing I know, I'm just going off the road, waking up, both legs going both ways.
So he actually hit you.
Yeah, that's what everybody's saying, but nobody's on.
You don't remember?
I just remember just the last thing. I remember just waking up on the ground and both legs being sideways.
So you were driving the motorcycle, helmet.
Yeah.
Thank God you had a
Helmet, jacket, everything. I had
Jacket.
everything bought
Jacket,
for
gloves,
it.
shoes.
You have those the fancy jacket with
Yeah.
the big whatever the
Yeah,
pads
it
are.
had that shield on the back,
Yeah,
shield
yeah.
on the side,
Yeah.
everything.
So and there was a what color is the truck?
I'm say black.
Black, like a pickup truck.
Yeah.
And it was
It's like SUV pickup truck, kind of. I can't really remember it that well, like the truck itself anymore.
The two people that helped him said it was a black SUV that they had seen pulled over and then
took off.
took off.
And so I guess the other folks were the folks who called. So you don't remember that, but did the witnesses say that he hit you, or just forced you off the road?
All they saw me was just flying in the air.
Flying in the air.
Everybody
Okay.
just saw the motorcycle with me just going.
Got it. And that's all you remember.
Yeah, all I remember that after that was just waking up, both legs going each way.
So this leg was going that way.
No, this leg was right next. It was folded all the way.
All the way there.
Like this right here.
And then this leg.
This one was just like that.
Shoot.
Yeah.
Did your motorcycle explode?
No.
No. And then you were where'd the ambulance take you?
I went to
Well,
St. Joe's.
he actually called me from the scene.
Yeah.
Oh,
He called me.
You're lucid enough to.
I had my headset on.
I thought he was
My
joking
helmet.
because it was April 2nd. And he's like, I'm down. And I said, haha, not funny. I said, where are you? Because I was thinking he was on his way home.
Yeah.
And he said, no, I've been hit. I'm down. And when the other guy grabbed the phone, that's when it was real. And I asked him even after that, I was thinking how he did it, but his helmet was integrated with the Bluetooth, and he
Right.
said his phone kind of slid out and my face was there, and he hit just call. That was it.
The guy or Ed?
He did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All
he
right.
did it all.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
And so where did they take you to St. Joe's?
At
St.
first,
Joe's, and then I got flown to Downers Grove.
Flight for Life to Downers Grove for
Good sand.
Ortho.
Yeah, good time.
Good sand.
That same day.
Same night. Yeah.
So St. Joe's. What time? What's this? It was daytime.
5:30.
Was it
at night.
raining and stuff?
It was like a drizzle right as I crashed. Like
Okay.
a little
Yeah.
small drizzle.
Got it.
I mean, just a little tiny drizzle, but then it stopped.
Yeah, but that drizzle.
All the cops came.
I'm sure you ride in drizzle a lot
Right,
of
it was.
time.
Yeah, it wasn't
Safe,
anything.
yeah.
Yeah. It wasn't even wet like when I crashed or
Right.
anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you crash on?
I ended up on the median. My motorcycle ended up on the other side of the street.
Oh, so it was that kind of a hit?
Yeah.
Was it the median? I don't remember that
Low,
area.
no, it's a low medium.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you were in. They stabilized you at the ER probably at St. Joe's. How many hours before they sent you to?
Minutes.
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 That-
I beat him at the hospital. He was there. I was able to go in and see him for about 10 minutes. And by that time, it had started to rain really good. And they said, oh, we're waiting on the bus. It'll be here in about 15 minutes. The lady said, he doesn't have 15 minutes. We have the flight that'll be here in 2. So by that time, they said, we don't have room. You can't come, but here's the address. This is where we're taking him. He was 16 minutes in the air, and it was 40 minutes of me driving it.
Wow, man. Oh, that must have been a long 40 minutes.
That was the longest 40 minutes of my life.
That looks nice. Now you got it.